Welcome to our deep dive into the surprising world of cucumbers. You might think of cucumbers as a refreshing addition to your salad or a cool snack on a hot day, but there's so much more to these green wonders than meets the eye. This video will explore cucumbers' unexpected health impacts, revealing their incredible benefits and potential warnings that might shock you. Did you know cucumbers are packed with nutrients that boost hydration and support skin health? We'll discuss how these crunchy veggies can play a vital role in your diet, helping you stay healthy and energized. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. We'll also uncover some lesser-known facts about cucumbers that could make you rethink how you consume them. By the end of this video, you'll have a newfound appreciation for cucumbers and a better understanding of how they can impact your health. So stay tuned as we peel back the layers on this fascinating topic and reveal the truth about cucumbers that you never knew. Nutritional profile of cucumbers. Cucumbers are not just a crunchy snack. They are a powerhouse of essential nutrients that can significantly contribute to your overall health. One of the standout vitamins found in cucumbers is vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health and helps with blood clotting. Additionally, cucumbers are rich in potassium, a mineral that supports heart health by helping to regulate blood pressure and maintain proper muscle function. Beyond these key nutrients, cucumbers are incredibly low in calories, making them ideal for anyone looking to maintain or lose weight. At only about 16 calories per cup, they can be a guilt-free addition to salads, smoothies, or even a refreshing snack. Moreover, the high water content in cucumbers, around 95%, not only keeps you hydrated, but also aids in digestion and promotes healthy skin. By incorporating cucumbers into your diet, you can enjoy their numerous health benefits while keeping your calorie intake in check. So, whether you're looking to boost your nutrient intake or want a light, refreshing treat, cucumbers are a fantastic choice for your health and wellness journey. Hydration benefits. Cucumbers are a hydration hero, boasting an impressive 95% water content. This makes them one of the most hydrating foods you can eat, perfect for replenishing fluids, especially during hot summer days or after a workout. Staying well hydrated is essential for maintaining overall fluid balance, which can significantly impact skin health and energy levels. When adequately hydrated, your skin appears more radiant and youthful, while your energy levels remain stable throughout the day. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet is not only easy, but also delicious. Slice them up for a refreshing snack, toss them into salads for added crunch, or blend them into smoothies for a hydrating boost. For a fun twist, try infusing water with cucumber slices and a few mint leaves for a refreshing, tasty, and revitalizing drink. You can also experiment with cucumber-based dishes, such as tzatziki sauce or salsa, to add a hydrating element to your meals. By making cucumbers a staple in your diet, you can enjoy their hydration benefits while enhancing your overall health and wellness. So, grab a cucumber and start reaping the rewards of this refreshing vegetable. Cucumbers and weight loss. Cucumbers are an excellent ally in your weight loss journey, primarily because they are low-calorie. With only about 16 calories per cup, they provide a satisfying crunch without adding significant calories to your meals. This makes cucumbers a filling food option that can help curb hunger and prevent overeating, allowing you to enjoy more significant portions without guilt. In addition to being low in calories, cucumbers are a good source of dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in digestion. Fiber helps to promote feelings of fullness, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals and feel satisfied after a meal, which makes you less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks later. To incorporate cucumbers into weight loss-friendly recipes, consider adding them to salads, wraps, or smoothies. You can also create refreshing cucumber salads with vinegar and herbs for a light side dish. Try cucumber slices topped with hummus or yogurt dip for a quick snack. By creatively using cucumbers in your meals, you can enjoy their health benefits while effectively supporting your weight loss efforts. So, make cucumbers a staple in your diet and watch your progress soar. Potential health risks. While cucumbers are generally considered a healthy addition to your diet, there are some potential health risks and warnings to be aware of. One concern is the presence of pesticide residues on conventionally grown cucumbers. To minimize exposure, washing cucumbers thoroughly under running water before consumption is crucial. If possible, consider opting for organic cucumbers less likely to contain harmful chemicals. Additionally, some individuals may experience allergies or sensitivities to cucumbers. Symptoms can include itching, swelling, or gastrointestinal discomfort. If you notice any adverse reactions after consuming cucumbers, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine if you have an allergy. Another essential aspect to consider is moderation. While cucumbers are low in calories and packed with nutrients, consuming them excessively may lead to digestive issues, such as bloating or gas, due to their high water and fiber content. To ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables. By being mindful of these potential risks and practicing moderation, you can enjoy the many benefits of cucumbers while minimizing any adverse effects. Cucumbers in natural remedies. Cucumbers have long been celebrated for their soothing properties, making them popular in natural remedies and skincare. Their high water content and cooling effect make cucumbers particularly effective for alleviating skin irritations and sunburns. Applying cucumber slices directly to affected areas can provide instant relief, reducing redness and inflammation while hydrating the skin. Cucumbers are often featured in various beauty products in addition to their direct application. Cucumber-infused toners, masks, and moisturizers harness the vegetable's natural astringent properties, helping to tighten pores and refresh the skin. Creating a simple cucumber face mask is easy and rewarding for those who enjoy DIY skincare. Just blend fresh cucumber with yogurt or honey for a hydrating treatment that rejuvenates your skin. Incorporating cucumbers into your wellness routine goes beyond skincare. Their hydrating and nutrient-rich profile can support overall health, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. Whether in salads, smoothies, or as a refreshing snack, cucumbers offer holistic benefits that enhance your beauty regimen and well-being. Embrace the power of cucumbers and discover how they can elevate your natural remedies and skincare practices. Conclusion. In summary, cucumbers are more than just a refreshing snack. They offer many surprising health benefits. Their impressive hydration properties, low calorie count, and rich nutrient profile, including vitamin K and potassium, can significantly support overall health and wellness. However, it's essential to be aware of potential risks, such as pesticide residues and possible allergies. This emphasizes the importance of washing cucumbers thoroughly and consuming them in moderation. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet can give you numerous advantages, whether in salads, smoothies, or as a standalone snack. Their versatility makes them an easy addition to any meal plan, helping you stay hydrated and satisfied while reaping the benefits of their nutrients. If you found this video informative and helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from learning about cucumbers' incredible health benefits. Together, let's spread the word about the power of this humble vegetable and inspire healthier choices in our lives.